Hello everyone and welcome on day 13 of Advent of Cyber. Today's task is focusing on intrusion detection and let's start with the questions. So which security model is being used to analyze the breach and defense strategies? If we go up here, you can see at this chapter that we have defensive diamond model, and this is the model that we are going to be using today. So if I copy this and go down here, paste. So that's correct for the first question. Second question, which defense capability is used to actively search for signs or of malicious activity? If we go up here, on the defensive capability, you will see that we have two of them. And the one that we need is threat hunting, because it's a proactive and iterative process led by skilled security professionals to actively search for signs of malicious activities. So this is the one that we need for the second question. Let's go answer it. So third question, what are our main two infrastructure focuses? If we go up, somewhere here, yeah, defensive infrastructure. So in this section, we'll guide Van Twinkle on her quest to understand two essential components of defensive infrastructure. So the two defensive infrastructures are firewalls and honeypots. So we need to put firewall and honeypot. Let's go down. Firewall and honeypot. And that's the correct answer for this question. Which firewall command is used to block traffic? If we go up here, you will see that this command, sudo ufw default deny incoming, is denying the incoming connections, so blocking the incoming connections. So deny is the word we need to use if we want to block the connections. We have to go down here, deny, and that's the correct answer for the fourth question. And the last question is the flag. Basically, there's a flag in one of the stories. Can you find it? So the way to find the flag, what we need to do, if you read here, it's the Van Twinkle's challenge. After learning about firewalls and honeypots, Van Twinkle puts his knowledge into practice and sets up a single website to be hidden behind some firewall rules. You can deploy the firewall rules by executing the Van Twinkle rules.sh script within the home Van Twinkle directory. Your task is to update the firewall rules to expose the website to the public and find the hidden flag. So if we go here, I'm already connected. What you have to do, you have to start the machine to be able to connect. And then you use the username and the password with SSH to be able to connect to the machine. So I'm already connected. I'm already on the directory home Van Twinkle. And as you can see, we have Van Twinkle rules.sh in here. If I run the rules, let me do, okay. After we do this, to check the status of the firewall, we have to run sudo ufw status and verbose. And as you can see, we have 5 basically ports. 2 of them are allowed. The connection for 2 of them are allowed. And 3 of them are denied. So if we try to access the 8090 port, which the website is where the website is, if we copy this 8090 and we try to go, you can see that we can't access it. But let me stop it. But after I go on the firewall settings and I do sudo ufw, and then allow 8090 TCP. Now what I say to the firewall is I want you to allow the connections on the 8090 port. Let's run the command. As you can see, rule updated. If we go back and we try to access again, oops, let me copy the IP, 8090, and as you can see now, we are able to access the website. If we go a bit down, there is the Santa's challenge story, and down here you can see that we have the flag. Another way to find it is if we are here and I do control F to look in the for text in the website, I can just do THM and I'm gonna be able to see the flag. So I copy the flag, we have to go down, and then after I hit enter, you can see that I was able to finish this task. So today's task was more theoretical. There was not so much practice in it, but again, you need to understand the theory because it's very important for the intrusion detection, and it's going to be very helpful for your future career. So see you on day 14 of Advent of Cyber.